I mopped my way out of here, no spots on the mirror. Once I got fired because I didn't even have the job. I wouldn't say it was fired. Um, Went in, it was like a cleaning interview. Forgot a tiny microscopic spot on the mirror, and I didn't have the job. I did everything else, but so I am very aware of spots on the mirror. So that's taken care of. Matching towels, match the bed. Mop your way out of here. Okay. Same thing with this bed. I put the white on. They do need pillowcases. The pillowcases are stained. There was a rip in one, so I had to hide that for now. Had the desk going the wrong way. I have pictures, so there's more light in here now because I had it against this wall. So liners in the trash. Oh, I love this vase. Absolutely love this with a butterfly. I love butterflies. Got the patio table. Had a lot of dust on it. Doors. Didn't have to move the couch. Moved under here a little. Glass tables. And yeah, I love the matching dishcloths. This reminds me of when I was a little girl. My mother used to do this to our stove. And she used to crochet. So on the top of this, she would crochet like a something where you could crochet it and put a button on it so it would stay. And it was on our cupboards too. So last thing, clean the freezer. So she said, take this food. They want it gone. So you can throw it away or you can take it. So obviously I'm going to take it because this is another way to feed my guys. So saves money for all of us.